In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to master the Gemini Nano Banana Pro thinking model. So first I'll switch this to the thinking model. Now, we aren't just prompting anymore, we are directing, and you need to stick around because I have about 5 secrets that change everything. Now, the first thing you need to do to activate the Nano Banana Pro is to click on the create image. As usual, I have my prompt made ready, so let us go ahead. Now, the first prompt is called the subsurface scattering. Now, most people think the skin is a solid surface. It's not. In the Gemini Nano Banana Pro, the text tells it all. So we are going to go ahead and copy this particular prompt that is detailed from the beginning down to the end, and then we take it to the Nano Banana Pro and make sure you activate these guys. So we are talking about how to definitely make your skin look very nice, the model that keep the skin natural and glow from within. Now we're gonna paste this and I will show you what it gives us at the end of the day. You look at the areas like the ears, the cheeks, the soft flashy glow. Now that is not filters. Nano Banana Pro engineers calculate the real physics and bingo. So you can see how this skin looks very natural. The Nano Banana Pro calculates the real physics, and this is how you kill that plastic hair looks instantly, guys. So you can see we have a natural skin right here from a human being that was given to us using that prompt. The next one is secret 2 over here is called the luxury. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this particular prompt over here. Okay, copy this particular prompt and I'm making the prompt available in the comment section. Then come back to Nano Banana Pro and paste it, guys. We already activated that, so paste it. Now this reflective casualties, if you want to do luxury architectures, you need this. Now it's the lightweight that bends through water to create those shimmering dancing patterns on the water. Most models render water as a flat blue pen, but Gemini Nano Banana Pro gives you, and boom, you can see what I'm talking about. This is really amazing, guys. So the difference is a cool pics and a professional render. Gemini Nano Banana Pro understand how the lightning actually move, and it gives you exactly what can sit and work for you. And the next prompt over here is called the soul secret. Okay, so we're gonna copy this prompt again, come to the very last side and then copy this. Okay, so head back to the Gemini. Now it doesn't require you to upload any image before you start, and then paste this one. Okay, so we have pasted that one and we hit the send button. Now this is the secret number 3. It is an old school art term. It's called the chiaroscuro. This forces the thinking model to stop lightening everything perfectly and start using shadow to tell a story at maze. You can see how beautiful this picture is of this man. Now make sure you download this. You can download it and the quality is kept 100%. The shadows and the high contrast highlight, this gives you an image, a soul, and makes them feel cinematic instead of a flat and boring pics, guys. Now that brings us to the secret number 4. So this is called the chromatic aberration. So copy this and then take it to your Gemini and paste it over here and hit out with the send button. It will go ahead. Now the secret number 4 is called the chromatic aberration. That's the real glass lenses aren't perfect. They have tiny color fingers at the edge. AI is usually too sharp. By telling Gemini to add a touch, alright, so by telling my Gemini to add a touch, it gives us a ultra realistic picture, a neo city. Now Gemini adds touches of lens and imperfection, which trick the human eye into believing that this was a shot on real. This is a real shot, expensive glass lens. It is subtle flaws that make it feel authentic, guys. So you can see how real this actually looks like, but this is actually done using Gemini. So this is the last one we're talking about, the atmosphere effect. So let us go ahead and copy this particular one over here. Okay, copy this last one over here, and we have all the secrets, all the prompt done for today. So let us go back to Gemini and paste. So this is more of a technical stuff. So finally we're talking about this one. It's more of a technical stuff. It gives the air weight. It's what creates those god rays and volumetric light being shining through the mist. Gemini Nano Banana Pro is incredible at this because it stimulates the atmosphere. So you can see what I'm talking about. It gives you that natural techniques, guys. So I've put all of these enhanced formulas in the pinned comment. Go to them and use it, but more importantly, you need to study why they work. We are sitting at actually 240 43 subscribers right now, and when we hit 500 subscribers, the Rhino Vault opens. I'm giving away 50 secret prompt for Gemini Nano Banana Pro for free. Hit that subscribe button, help us hit that goal, and I'll give you in the next one. Keep the hustle alive. Till next time, peace out.